Amaka, I am not ready for this trouble today. Please allow me to go to my house in peace. I am going home, please.
You look for my trouble once, you look for my trouble always. Come.
Come and do what? Now leave me alone now.
Come, I said.
I should come and do what? Hey! What did I do again?
Come.
What did I do?
I said come here. Come and take.
What?
Oh! You are running. Look at him. You cannot fight me man to man. He who fights and run lives to fight another day. I will catch you. Useless boy.
So you mean she fought you again?
Yes.
After unintentionally stepping on Amaka's toe. Is there something else you did to her?
Nothing, no. My love, I have never offended her again.
I am going to confront her. I am going to deal with her woman to woman.
Good.
She can't keep messing with my man. Enough is enough.
Exactly. Enough is enough. Enough of all this beating. Just look at my eye. Look at. I can't even see clear with this particular eye again. Eh? Please finish her for me. Make sure that you remove all her teeth. Eh? My love, please go and fight my battle for me.
It's okay.
Did you see the way she beat me, punch me, and blow me?
Sit down.
Okay.
Let me fix you something, no?
Okay. Fight my battle for me, please. I'm not going to I'm not even seeing very clear. Please make sure that you fight my battle for me.
This is the third time I will be coming home to meet an empty keg of palm wine and empty snuff box. Amaka and myself are the only people living in this compound. Who then is this person drinking my palm wine and sniffing my snuff to the extent of leaving the cup empty? Can I name her?
Okay, Boomer. As I say, I don't understand what is going on. This is the second time now you will be telling me that the gods are busy. It is no longer making any sense to me. I am a man of this kingdom who is in need of the services of the gods. And you're telling me that the gods are busy. No, how can anybody even explain that? How can the gods be busy? Busy that they can no longer attend to us? How is that even possible? How can the gods be busy? Are they married now? No, do they have children they attend to? Or they have an extended family? How can the gods be busy? Do they have farm? Or have they gone to the farm? Or have they gone to the market?
Watch your tongue, Onochie.
So you can hear me?
The gods are busy. You can go. You are distracting me.
Oh, okay. Don't be offended. Can you tell me, when are they going to be less busy so I can come back? Like I said, I am in need of the services of the gods.
I don't know for now, but the gods are busy.
Okay. I don't understand. There is nothing anybody cannot hear. And the gods are busy. Okay. I will go, and I will come back. Okay, boom.
I thank the gods for bringing you into my life. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
And you're the best gift the gods have given me.
I'm coming to your house in the next 3 days. I'm coming to see your father. I'm coming to declare my interest in you.
Are you serious?
Yes. I swear by the gods, I mean every word I say. See, I'm tired. I'm tired of this hide and seek in the bush. I want to marry you. I want to tell your father my interest. I want to stand like a man and make him understand how much I love you.
And I can't wait to be your wife.
I love you.
I love you too, babe.
No. I love you more.
I love you more.
Come back here. Amaka, who drank the palm wine I left in my palm wine keg before going to the farm?
Palm wine? Papa, I don't know. I left not quite long after you left the compound.
So who drank the palm wine that I left? And even consumed my snuff too?
I'm sure it's one of these village thieves.
Village thief? What kind of thief will come into a compound and steal the contents of a keg of palm wine and the contents of a snuff box without touching the keg, without touching the containers? That must be a very stupid thief. What do you really do? Just go. Go.
EJ, perfect timing. I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
EJ, all is not well. Oh. See, I'm about to go into a fight with that evil girl. So I came to call you so you accompany me.
Evil girl, you mean Amaka?
Yes.
You want me to go with you?
Yes.
Why?
That's my friend now.
Hey, I know that I'm your friend though. I don't know the role you want me to play in this.
EJ, you don't have to play any role. Just accompany me in case something goes wrong.
Hey, I am happy you know that something will go wrong. Akugo, something must definitely go wrong. So let me ask you, why do you want to fight Amaka?
EJ, see that girl fought my man again. I mean, for how long is this going to continue?
Wait, all this fight is because of Ekene. Ekene? He wants me to go and fight because of Ekene?
EJ, what's funny now?
Sorry, I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing. But wait, why won't I laugh? You want me to go and fight because of Ekene? And the only person you want me to fight, Amaka. Amaka the tigress. Like, Ugo, I know that you're my friend though, but you see this particular fight, my sister. Fight it alone, eh? It's your fight. Fight it alone. I'm going to the market, but don't worry, eh? If I come back, I'll come to your house. If it's hot water, I'll help you with hot water. Since you want to fight Amaka now, you want to call me? I should go with you.
But somebody needs to teach that girl a lesson.
I'm not that me. I'm not somebody. Me, somebody. You want to fight Amaka? I will help you.
Ijoma. EJ.
Yours.
Wait. How did it go?
I dealt with her.
You dealt with her? From the look of things, I think you are the one that is finished here.
Were you expecting an easy fight with that girl that possesses the power of 7 men?
This one that you are spitting blood up and down. Are you sure that she did not finish your teeth?
Please. I'm exhausted. Stop asking me this question.
Even the beating has made you forget my name. My name is Ekene, not Ebuka now. Huh? Hey. Hey, no. Let me go and get you water. Hey. You dealt with her, right? Oh. It's you, no.
Just see. See what a woman is doing. How many times have I warned you to learn how to eat like a human being? How many times have I warned you to stop eating like a pig? What is the meaning of this? Eating with the 2 hands? Is something wrong with you?
Sorry, Papa.
Sorry. Why are you behaving like a cow? Why are you behaving as if there is nothing in your head at all? No, why are you eating as if it was hunger that killed you in your former life? What is the meaning of this? You must learn how to comport yourself. Learn how to comport yourself before I slap you in a way that you will not be able to understand. What is this? No, is this how you should be behaving when you finally get into your husband's house? This is not the way. Comport yourself. Learn how to behave yourself. No, if somebody is passing here now and sees you eating like this, what will the person say? How can a young woman be eating without 2 hands? Where does that happen? Learn to eat like a human being.
That is why I'm here to show my interest in Nai. Honestly, Nai, I love your daughter and I wish to make her my wife. And I'm here to ask for your consent and your blessings. Nai, I came with this to show you how serious I am. Now, this one you're nodding like this. I hope did I say anything wrong?
Ebube, you didn't say anything wrong.
Okay.
To the best of my knowledge, you and my daughter have been together for some time, right?
Yes, of course.
And within this period, you have known my daughter. You are convinced you know her well enough to want to make her your wife?
Yes. I know her very well and I have come to love everything I know about her. Yes, and that is why I'm here.
You are sounding as if you are sure. Yeah, I mean, you are really sure you want to make Amaka mom your wife?
Now, if I'm not sure, I will not come to you. Oh, yes.
Interesting. It's all right. I've heard you. You will have to go, and I'm going to send words across to you. Yes, I will.
Okay. No, no, it's like she's not around.
No, she went to the farm.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I'll have to. Now, before I go, please, I want to also remind you that I will be waiting patiently to hear from you as soon as possible.
Ebube, I have already given you my word that I will get back to you.
Okay.
Trust me, I will do that.
Okay, now. My regards to her when she comes.
No. Thank you for making this move. I appreciate that. Ekwenanya. Nice wine. Ebe Amaka meshe n'odi. Amaka finally is getting married. Everybody will hope.
So Amaka, it's you.
Hmm?
It's you again.
Hmm.
So you are here shooting me catapult.
Hmm.
When you are here shooting me catapult when I'm doing my farm work. I am going to report it to your father. This nonsense is getting out of hand. What did I do to you? I am going to report it to your father, Amaka. You again.
Oh, Chineke, Amaka, it's you again. Thank you. Why would you be shooting me catapult when I'm doing my farm work? Enough is enough. I'm going to report it to your father. Papa. 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 Papa.
Yeah. Oh dear. Okay, Mbume. As Alusa, the chief priest of my land. You know why I always come here? It is because I understand you have a special relationship with the gods. You are the eye of the gods, the priest of the land. But you are a human being. You are not a spirit. If both of us should go into a fight now, I will beat you well and you know it. I am coming here because I have a problem. Why is my daughter so useless? Why is she drinking the kind of alcohol that no woman should be able to drink? Why is she sniffing my snuff? Snuff that is mixed with pepper, something very strong that only men take. Why is my daughter doing that? I need answers.
Onochie, go home and come back the next Eke market day. Then the gods will be able to answer your questions.
Why do I have this feeling that you want me to bring out money before you speak?
Hey, Mama. Mama, let me give you the good news. Mama, I went to Onochie's house. Yes, I went to his house. I had to man up. I went to his house. I sat with him. I had to tell him eyeball to eyeball. I said, Chi, I am interested in your daughter. I want to marry her. EJ collected my palm wine and promised to get back to me as soon as possible.
Really?
Mom!
He did?
Yeah! Oh, Mama.
My son, it's a good news. But we have to wait for his response. At least, if he sends a message of acceptance, at least we go back there and we go with your uncles and the kinsmen. Yes, that is what we are going to do. But we have to wait until he responds.
Mama, there's something that keeps bothering me.
And what could that be, my dear?
I've been thinking, and I said I'll have to ask you. Mama, from your experience as a mother, do you think that Amaka will make a good wife to me?
My son, in that case, thinking is not enough. Let's say we hope so. Let me tell you one thing in marriage, my dear. Marriage is like a package. No one knows what is inside until you open the package. Then you will know what is inside it. That is why before someone goes into marriage, you have to seek for the face of the gods. At least to guide you, to lead you, to get a good wife. Yes.
Mama.
So let's hope she will.
Mama, I already sought the face of the gods. And deep inside here, I am convinced that Amaka will make a good wife to me.
Oh, I will.
And you know I love her.
Yes, I know. Let's still wait for the response of the father.
Amaka, I ask again, who drank the palm wine in the cake?
Papa, I'm answering you again. It wasn't me. Papa, why would you even think of such a thing? I'm a woman. Before people should know that I can't do a thing like that.
You are a woman. And I should know you cannot do a thing like that. Can you swear on the grave of your mother that you have not been the one drinking my palm wine in this house? Can you swear? What is this? Now what are you doing?
Papa, you're hurting me. You keep hurting me every time.
How?
You know how much I love my mother. How can you even suggest that I should swear on my mother's grave? You just want to remind me that I'm motherless. It's not fair.
Okay, forget about your mother. Can you swear on the feet of the gods? Can you raise your hand to the universe like this and swear you have not been the one drinking palm wine that I keep in this house? Can you do that?
I swear on the feet of the gods. If I've been the one drinking your palm wine, whatsoever I seek, may I find it?
What did you just say? Whatever you seek, may you find it? Is that an oath or what? Ha! I should have known it. I should have known you are the one drinking the palm wine in my house and even sniffing my snuff.
Papa, it's not me.
You are the one, shut up. You drink and drink to the extent that you drank the palm wine that Ebube brought to indicate his interest in making you his wife. Palm wine that I was keeping for my brothers to come in evening for me to show them. That's what you drank.
Papa, Ebube was here. Hey! Hey!
Hey! What is that thing in your hand? Catapult.
Mm-hmm.
For what?
I'm using it to hunt for squirrels.
You, a woman, using catapult to hunt for squirrels. When did that one start?
Papa, since last month.
Ha! I'm going to be a monkey roof. Wait, Ebube, who came to indicate interest in marrying you? Is he aware of this, your character?
Oh, Papa, what are you trying to say? No, what?
Shh. What's that?
Bush rats.
Shh. Huh. 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 What was under Madam One? Greetings. Yeah, Kerechuku, greetings. How are you today?
Ichie, I am not that fine.
What's the problem?
I was actually coming to your house to make a report about your daughter.
Amaka?
Yes.
What has she done?
Ichie, your daughter Amaka is always in the habit of beating me. Beating me up and down.
I'm sure I'm hearing you well. No, how can you say that? That Amaka mom has been beating you up?
Yes, Ichie. Amaka has been beating me. Wherever she sees me, she will just fight me for no reason. Even when I tried my best to stop her or not to fight her, she will still beat me. And I am tired. Beating me up and down.
You need a woman,
yes, Ichie.
Amaka mom?
Ichie, I don't know how she does it. The only thing I can remember that every time that girl sees me, she will beat me. And she has the strength of a man. Beating me up and down.
Okay, I've heard you. I will talk to her.
Please.
It's okay. You may go.
Okay.
I will talk to her.
Okay, please. You have to talk to her, please.
And where are you going?
I am going to my house.
Okay, then this is not the way to your house.
Oh. That's the thing I'm talking about. The beating is now disturbing my brain. The last time he punched me here. Okay, you have to talk to your daughter.
This young man is actually sounding serious. Look at this one.
What is going on? I have practically searched everywhere in this hut for my snuff box, and it is nowhere to be found. I have even changed the position of where I was hiding it, so that Amaka will not be able to set eyes on it again. How come it is missing again? Can you name Eva? Eh? Where else will I look for this snuff box? You will go and come back. You will go and come back to this house and beat me. Useless child. Thief. Unyori. You should have stayed back. Let me cut off your head. I don't have any child at all.
Please, not today, please. I am not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I don't know why you're bringing your trouble to my house. This is my house, please. I don't want trouble, please.
It's okay. On one condition.
Which kind of condition?
That you allow me to pass the night in your house. Just to pass the night, and tomorrow I will go.
I will do that on one condition also. On one condition.
You're not giving me condition.
Sorry. I will do it. Just don't beat me again. I don't want you to be beating me again. Sorry for the condition.
And you will not look for my trouble again.
I have never looked for your trouble before.
Yep.
Sorry, let's go. Let's go.
Why are you walking fast? Wait.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, go. Walk now. Okay.
Of our land. Hey, Amaka. Hey. So, you have been the one stealing people's cassava in this village. Got you. I will spread this news. You do what? Yes. You want to do what? You want to do what? You want to do what?
Let me help him.
Okay. If I ask you to come to the house, you say I shouldn't you here.
Akugo. Akugo, what is this? What happened to your face?
It's not that demon-possessed girl, Amaka.
Hey, Amaka did this to you. Why?
I caught her in the bush trying to steal somebody's cassava. And I threatened to tell.
And I threatened to tell. As who? As what? Akugo, is it until Amaka kills you before you stay out of her business? Look at you. You look pathetic. You look like Adam Mama Security Irepo. Akugo, you look like you just fought a tiger. Amaka is a tigress. And you know that one very well. Akugo, if you don't want to stay away from Amaka, do it for people that love you now. If you don't love yourself, do it for people that love you. Ngwano, let's go home. Let me do what I know how to do best. Yes, press hot water. Let's go, let me press hot water. You want to go and fight Akugo? Somebody's cassava. Is the cassava your own? Is it your mother's cassava? Is it Ekene's cassava? It's no longer Ekene now. You're now fighting Amaka because of cassava. Let's go. I will press hot water very well.
This is not looking nice at all.
Tell me about it.
Did you kill your brother Izuebo?
Of course not. Even though people believe I did, but I did not kill him.
How did he die?
You see, Izuebo, my brother, was the laziest human being I ever set my eyes on. He was a thief. A thief that was stealing from me. When I keep palm wine, Izuebo will steal it. When I should keep snuff boss, he will steal it. Is it dry meat? Izuebo will steal it. If he sees money, he will steal the money. And when you confront Izuebo will start to fight because he loves to fight. Even when he cannot fend for himself, he loved to fight.
How did he die?
Izuebo, all of a sudden, started to lay claim over a parcel of land that my father gave me. A land that I was very sure when my father gave me, Izuebo started to lay claim that he was now the owner of the land. I told him to stay away from the land because the land was not his. He refused. One day, he came to my house. It was later I found out that he was actually very sick that day. And instead of Izuebo to go and consult a proper medicine man to be treated, he decided to come to my house to fight me. I just pushed Izuebo and he fell down. That was it. He died. That was it.
What were his angry words before he passed on?
Well, Izuebo was always threatening me. He was always in the business of threatening me, telling me that he would kill me. I was used to that. So even as he was dying, he was still telling me that he would deal with me. I couldn't understand it. As I was trying to help him, to try to revive him, he was telling me that he would deal with me. And then he died.
Onochie, Izuebo, your late brother, has returned to deal with you. He has returned in the form of a woman. And that woman is your daughter, Amaka. It appears you did not make any serious inquiries when she was born.
Okenkube Ezaluse, please, don't see it as if I am in doubt when it comes to your efficacy concerning the things of the gods. But I just need you to tell me the truth. Are you sure of this consultation you just made?
Yes. Your late brother was always stealing from you, isn't it?
That's correct.
And now your daughter does the same thing, including stealing your snuff. Does your brother lie?
Ijebu, a terrible liar he was. Terrible in the sense that, will you catch him with his hand to your bag of money? He will still be lying that the hand is not his hand. That terrible.
Don't you see the same traits of character in your daughter?
Amaka, I ask again, who drank the palm wine in the cake?
Papa, I'm answering you again. It wasn't me. Papa, why would you even think of such a thing? I'm a woman. Before people should know that I can't do a thing like that.
You are a woman. And I should know you cannot do a thing like that. Can you swear on the grave of your mother that you have not been the one drinking my palm wine in this house? Can you swear? What is this? Now what are you doing?
Papa, you're hurting me. You keep hurting me every time.
How?
You know how much I love my mother. How can you even suggest that I should swear on my mother's grave? You just want to remind me that I'm motherless. It's not fair.
Okay, forget about your mother. Can you swear on the feet of the gods? As in, can you raise your hand to the universe like this and swear you have not been the one drinking palm wine that I keep in this house? Can you do that?
I swear on the feet of the gods. If I've been the one drinking your palm wine, whatsoever I seek, may I find it.
What did you just say?
You also mentioned that he was always fighting you.
Of course, yes.
Does your daughter fight?
Ichie, your daughter Amaka is always in the habit of beating me. Beating me up and down.
He threatened to deal with you both in life and in death. And now he has returned as your daughter to continue to fight you.
Hey! Okay, Buma. As I will say, you are going to do me a favor. Go back to that stone of the gods, that your stone of consultation. Go and tell Izwebu that he is very stupid. If he likes, let him reincarnate in form of a woman or in form of an animal. That is not my business. He was an evil man, a thief, who made life very miserable for me. Let him stay where he is. Because if he comes out again, this time, I'm not going to bury him like I did before. Makashi, I will set him on fire.
This is a hard nut to break. What I see, very soon, your daughter will be dragging lands with you.
What this means actually is that someone has given birth to his own enemy. Hey! Izwebu, my late brother, if you like, you can reincarnate 20 times over. I will still crush you. If you like, you can even reincarnate using the face of our precious late mother. It is not going to change anything. You are evil. And to think
to think of the fact that Izwibu was always fighting Ekene's father. Fighting him. And now, Izwibu has reincarnated in my daughter to be fighting Ekene. Even me too. Okay. So what?
Ah, Papa, what is it? Ah, Papa, why are you staring at me as if you're tired of me and can't wait to get rid of me? Is it not enough you made me sleep out last night? Because stop staring at me like a lion that wants to devour its prey.
Mama! No! Mama! 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 Mama!
You will fall me down.
Mama, wait, calm down. Sorry.
What is it? What happened?
Mama, calm down first. Mama, guess what?
What is it?
Mama,
You're
wait
so excited.
now, wait.
Did you say that, Menu?
Mama, guess now.
Oh, with which head? At this old age? I can't guess it.
Mama,
I don't know.
Ichie Onochie has given his consent. He said, I can now come with my kinsmen so he can give his daughter's hand to me in marriage.
Hey! Oh, you mean it?
Aye!
Oh
Mama.
my goodness.
Mama, so, what next?
Wait, have you told your uncle?
I have to come and tell you first now before telling them.
You did the right thing. But the only thing you're going to do now is to rush to your uncle's house. Let him know so that we start making plans on how to go and see her people. Yes, now.
Okay, Mama, do I need to go with palm wine or something?
What? No, just go first. Go and see him first.
Mama,
just go and break the good
wait,
news.
let me show you something. See, see, on the day of my wedding, let me show you how I'm going to dance.
Let's.
Like this.
I go.
I'm coming.
Hey! Who am I? Hey! So now my son will be a married man, and I will soon be a grandmother. I will carry my grandchild. Hey! Hey! Nah! Baba so Baba no so. Hey, Onochie.
Amaga, what is it?
Shut up. What was that rubbish you said that day I came to pass the night at your place?
Amaga, leave me alone. I did not offend you in your former life. Allow me to live my life in peace, please.
Did you call me a scorpion, yes or no? I'm asking you.
Amaga, leave me alone. I did not.
And did you also say that scorpions do not have friends because they stink everybody? Did you say it?
Amaka, don't beat me. Leave me.
Amaka, did you say it? Did you call me a scorpion? Did you? Shut up! Oh, your mouth. Did you call me a scorpion? Did you call me? If I call, you open your mouth because I came to sleep in your rubbish house. You call me a scorpion. You don't have respect. Stand up. Did you call me a scorpion? Did you?
Hey, Ekene. If you fail to leave this place now, I am going to finish what my daughter started. How can a full-fledged man be crying like a baby because he has been beaten by a woman? A woman?
Your daughter is stronger than me. She overpowered me.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? No. How do you even feel from inside your spirit saying it that a woman overpowered you? No, how can you say that?
Your daughter has the strength of a man. She overpowered me. I am here to tell you that you should warn your daughter. One how to stop bullying me up and down in this kingdom. Else, I am going to try my best and make sure that I bring her down. I will bring her down. Look at the way she was beating me. She punched me here, she punched me here. She punched me there, she gave me like this. Which kind of problem is this?
Izwebu is indeed back. That troublemaker is back to make more trouble. Izwebu. Okay, see my position.
What did I do?
And the father of this one most likely killed a goat the day he was born.
You mean her father did not say anything after you complained to him?
Not even a single word. Ichie did not say anything.
This thing is becoming too much. But don't worry, my love. You and I, we are going to team up. And your quarter girl is we are going to beat her.
Yes. That is what I want. That is my wife to be. Look, my dear, we are going to team up and beat that girl. I can't even wait for that day to come so that I will use bullock and what about do as idiot on? Nonsense.
Don't worry. I prepared delicious abacha with azokbo. Get it for you. No, don't worry. Leave her.
Do you see why I am hungry with this beating that idiot is giving me every day? By now, I should be done with the farm jobs I have at hand. And I will gather those money and come and pay your diary.
Yeah, you still do it, don't worry. But this one that this girl beat you up like this, are you still going to have straight for me this night?
Nai, thank you very much. Honestly, my wife and I, we are so grateful.
It's okay.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for...
You don't need to bother yourself. I am delighted to have done what I did.
We have to be on our way.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes, Papa. Papa, I miss you.
I am missing you already. I hope you two will take care of yourselves.
Yes, Papa.
Good. And I hope you are not forgetting anything. Good. It's all right.
Now we have to be on our way. And I promise you, I must take care of her.
I trust you. I trust you, absolutely. Do take care of her. And do take care of yourself too.
Of course. Let me carry it. Don't worry. Hold this one. It's very heavy for you. You know you're too beautiful. I don't want this thing. It's not even too heavy.
That's good. Amaka, I hope you are not forgetting anything.
No, Papa.
Are you sure? Don't forget anything here. Even if you forget anything, I'll buy it for you.
Okay.
I'll buy anything you forget.
Papa, bye-bye.
Amaka, imeche puma. Sarize chukwe.
Mama! No! Mama!
Hey!
Mama.
How are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh! Ada,
Mama.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, how are you?
I'm good. As you can see, I'm doing good.
Mama, guess what?
What?
Now that I am here, you will do better.
Hey! Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome, Mama.
Nah, here, take her in.
Okay.
Let me serve you food.
Asa. Okay, that is, let me prepare your bag. Eh?
Hi.
Mama, this food is very delicious. So.
Do you like it?
Mama, I love it.
You can say that again.
My mother is a very good cook. Mama, I hope this soup is still remaining.
Yes. Where is Amaka? Amaka! Amaka!
Mama.
Oh. My dear, I'm off to the market.
Okay, Mama.
When your husband comes back, tell him that this keg of palm wine belongs to Mazibe. Yes.
Oh.
He should deliver it when he comes back.
Alright.
I will see you later.
Alright, Mama.
Oh.
Mama, bye-bye.
My dear. Take care.
You're back.
Yes, oh. Oh, you have delivered the palm wine to your uncle.
No. You said you were going to leave some inside. It's empty.
Meaning what? I left some palm wine inside this keg.
Mama, it is empty. You did not leave anything inside.
How? Ask your wife. I left some palm wine here. I even told her that when you return, he should tell you to take it to Mazibe.
Right.
Mama, you're welcome.
My dear, you're welcome.
Amaka,
how are you? What happened?
What?
You heard when I told you to tell your husband to take this keg of palm wine to Mazibe. I came back now and he's telling me that there is nothing inside the keg.
Look at it now.
How is that possible? Mama, I swear I don't know. You left the keg of palm wine here and I left urgently to my father's house to get something. I don't know what happened.
I have told you, stop leaving things like this outside here. People change you. Maybe somebody must have walked in from nowhere. On seeing a person will just take and drink and leave the empty cake
No,
here.
no. It has never happened before. How?
Mama, things change.
Who could have done that? Change how?
People change. I've been telling you, stop leaving edible things here. All you have to do is we have to go and get a new one and take to uncle. That's it. At least this one now you will learn your lessons. Eh? Stop leaving edible things. You will not hear.
Mama, I'm so sorry for being careless. It won't happen again.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Mama, let me... Okay.
Please, boss, no, boss. What are we going to call this one now? How can a young woman who got married come back to her father's house just a day after getting married to her husband just to steal her father's snuff box? What is the name of this problem? What name are we going to call it? And the chief priest tells me it is reincarnation. What kind of stupid reincarnation is that? What right has a bad man, what right has he got to even reincarnate? Huh? If a bad man must reincarnate, it must be to come back and pay for the evil he committed in the last world, in his last life. Can you live? Yeah, something has to be done. Something definitely has to be done.
You say today, I am going to finish that idiot in their house. They will know the kind of person he is. But today, no, tell me, who is Amaka? Who? Amaka? No, you think you have the right to be everybody in this community, right? Today, I am going to prove to you that I am a man. I will show you today that I am a man. Who do you think you are? Who are you?
Amaka, my daughter, please. Come and cut this leaf so I can pound this achi seed. You know achi seed is very, very strong and needs to be pounded very, very well. Huh? Bikun.
Mama, I cannot. I am tired.
Huh?
Hmm.
You are tired? Are you not the one who is supposed to be cooking for your husband? Hey, Amaka, you are tired? Okay, I'm doing it for my son. Amaka. How come you walk past me without a proper morning greeting? Huh? What happened? Did you not see me standing here?
I saw you standing there. I do not want to greet you or talk to you. Can I go now?
Amaka, why? What happened? What have I done to you? Amaka! Amaka! Did this just happen?
Mama? No. Ebube, my beloved husband. Mama. Mama. Ebube. Mama.
Mama.
What is it?
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand what?
I honestly don't want to believe it. Mama, tell me, what really happened?
Just calm down your voice. Huh? Lower your voice. I saw her. She drank all the palm wine.
Mama, why didn't you comfort her? At least you would have comforted her right there in the act. Then, by the time you catch her, you would have had the evidence.
Confront her, you say? I ask you again. Are you sure you know that girl too well? Because I've never seen a woman gulp down a keg of palm wine at a spot. Yes.
Where is she now?
She's inside.
Okay.
Wait. Did I tell you that she left this compound this morning without greeting me? Even when I confronted her, she told me koro that she don't want to greet me.
Huh?
Yes.
I'm coming, Mama. Wait for me.
What? Where are you going to? Where are you going? Okay, I'm coming too. I'm coming.
Onye m na-ewiwe ya biko wee gbuo ya. Gbam gbam. Ọsụkọsụ nwampi ya biko tugbuo ya. Sele. Onye m na-ebike ya biko wee gbuo ya.
What is it, Amaka? Amaka, it's like you're possessed by the evil spirit. What is your problem? I don't want problem this morning, no. Amaka, I really know that you're mental. The next time
you prepare food in this house without keeping my portion, I will beat you black and red.
Beat who?
You.
Me?
Yes.
You will beat me?
Yes, I will beat you.
You are not well. Oh! It is paining you because I did not keep food for you. When I call you to come and help me and prepare the food, what did you say? Amaka, answer me now. You said that you are tired, that you cannot help me, that you will do the... When I prepare the food, you expect me to keep your own portion. From where? How do you want me to do that? Am I your maid? Please, Amaka, you are mad.
Eh?
Yes. Amaka, there is no normal person behave the way you behave.
Call me a mad woman one more time and I will show you how mad people behave.
Amaka, you are mad.
I am mad.
You are mad.
I am mad.
You are mad. I am mad.
No, come.
My hair is up. My hair is up. My hair is up. Keep up.
Open your mouth and call me a mad woman. Say it. Everybody what? Call me.
Amaka, leave me alone.
Call me a mad woman.
Amaka, leave me alone.
Call me a mad woman.
It's okay. It's okay. But what really happened? Eh? What transpired between the both of you that would make you fight your mother-in-law? Eh? What do you want people to say if they hear that you fought your mother-in-law just a few days into your marriage?
Go ahead. You think I'm even surprised? Go ahead and sign her because she's your mother. I just told you that I did not even touch her. All through, she has been the one beating me, just beating me as if I'm a slave. I did not touch her.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay now. Eh? Let's go home and talk things over too. Eh? Let's go.
I'm not going. I'm not going anywhere. Your mother does not love me.
You see why sometimes I get angry with you. Eh? Just imagine the way you're shouting now. What if somebody by the side now you are listening that they were saying now? Eh? Then tongues will start walking in this village.
Yeah, you're not shouting. Is this not shouting? You're shouting. Am I the only one shouting? Is this how I'm going to live in this marriage? I did not sign in for this. So no one will just be beating me anyhow. Everybody knows I'm a peace-loving person. I don't look for trouble, but your mother will be looking for my trouble every time.
It's my mother you're talking about too. I don't know when my mother became troublesome. It's okay, sorry. Let's go home and talk things out, please. Stop crying now. Clean your tears. It's okay. Let's go.
Ichionoche, I am telling you this because the next time she lays her hands on me, I am not going to take it. I will not allow her to stay in my house. Huh? What kind of a thing is this? I have never seen this kind of nonsense.
It is all right, Okashi. It's all right. I am going to talk to her. I am sorry. Sorry about the beating. Sorry about all the troubles, all the quarrels. I can understand. I can understand how humiliating this
Very
is.
humiliating. Degrading and disgraceful. Huh?
It's all right. I understand. Okay? I will talk to her. It's a promise.
You better do.
Iru tokanaga amunogo kaibu. Iru toga amunogo kaibu. Areji maka okay. Sunyu na oku.
Kedu udi nwa bi ya?
Oh, amugida amuku yofu.
Kedu udi nwa bi ya?
You got the knock. Calm down. Don't worry.
Okwa nwoke ke muru na nwaanyi ni ya. Ihe abokwa nwa.
The information reaching me is that she has started to foment trouble in her marriage. Only few days into her marriage and she has already fought her mother-in-law. Okay, Mbume, Ezalose, my very good friend. How do we solve this problem once and for all?
You have to bring her to the shrine so that we perform some rituals and banish away the spirit of your late brother Izuegbu. You two need to do some rites.
Did you just say, bring my daughter to the shrine? How is that possible? My daughter acts like a mad woman.
Then put her in chains and bring her to the shrine, like the mad woman she is.
I did not say my daughter is a mad woman. I only said she acts like a mad woman.
There is a thin line between acting and being what we act like. Two of them are like the two sides of a coin. So it is said that if she continuously acts like a mad woman, then undeniably she is a mad woman. Many are mad, few are naked, roaming.
Papa, she's the one looking for my trouble. Tell her to avoid me and I will avoid her too. Simple.
You know, most times when you speak, it doesn't mean that my alcohol and my snuff that you have been sniffing all this while, that they have combined together to damage your brain. Of course, that's why you cannot reason well again. Your mother-in-law that you are living with, somebody you are living in her compound is the person you want to avoid you. How is that possible? How?
Okay. If she does not want to avoid me, she should be ready to face the consequences.
See, Amaka, I don't want to be dwelling on this nonsense. I need you to go and prepare because we should be going to the shrine. It is important that...
No, Papa, wait. What did you say, shrine? The gods forbid that I go to the shrine. What am I going there to do? What business do I have in the shrine?
Can you just calm down? Relax. By the time we get to the shrine, you will understand the whole essence of the invitation. Calm down. Nobody's going to harm you.
Like I said, Amaka can never go to the shrine. I hate such places. Papa, there's something I want to talk to you about.
I am saying that you should prepare for us to go to the shrine. You say you want to talk to me about what? What is wrong with you? Oh, okay. What is it? I'm listening.
It is about that land at Ugwoji River.
Okay. What about the land?
I need you to give the land to me so I can start farming on it.
Can you repeat what you just said?
Okay. I'll repeat myself with more clarification, although I hate to repeat myself. So I need you to listen and listen very well. As your only child, I have the right to all your properties. Everything that belongs to you is mine. So I need you to give me that land at Ugwoji River so I can start farming on it.
Many are mad, few are naked, roaming.
Indeed. I understand it now. Many are mad indeed. Very mad. But only few are naked and roaming. Only few.
Papa, what are you saying? No, Papa, what are you trying to say now? Papa, are you saying I'm mad? Papa, I'm talking to you. You're going inside. This is what I don't like, oh. Papa! Papa! As your only child, who else have the right to your properties if not me? Who else? I shouldn't have sought for your consent in the first place. I was only doing it out of respect. Why would I even be asking for what is already mine? See, for your information, everything you own is mine. The lands, even this house, it belongs to me. This man, as I'm even looking at you, see, let me tell you, you have just few months to live. Very soon you will die and I will inherit everything. Everything is mine.
Amaka. Amaka. I called you here to ask you so that I can be very sure if what I heard was the reason you went to see your father.
Yes.
Eh? Amaka, why are you disgracing me? This is a very sensitive thing to do. What is your problem? Amaka, what is your problem?
No, tell me. What is insensitive about me going to ask for what rightfully belongs to me?
What do you need the land for, Amaka? What do you need the land for? Tell me, no, what do you need the land for? Have you asked me for a family land and I refused? Amaka, have you asked me what is wrong with you? Why are you disgracing me? What is this? Eh? Amaka, we just got married a few days ago. Instead of you to sit back and concentrate so that the gods will help us to have children. So we can sit back and talk as husband and wife to know how many children we are supposed to have. You are busy going back to your father's house to go and ask for land, Amaka. Ichionochie, my father-in-law that I know, he is very much aware that you are his only child. If peradventure the gods decide to take him now, I am sure that you are the only person that will inherit whatever property it is that he has. What is wrong with you? Why are you disturbing him? Why are you disgracing me, Amaka? What is this?
The way I'm seeing that man, the way I'm looking at him like this, he might die any moment.
May the gods forbid! Amaka, you're talking about my father-in-law, your father. Did the gods give you the key to his life? Why will you open your mouth to be proclaiming death to your own father?
It will be thank the gods you said, my father, not your father. I don't understand. Are you trying to love my father more than I do? Eh? No, what is your problem?
Amaka.
See, with the way people are dying every day, nobody knows who will be next. So.
I rebuke it for my father-in-law. It's sure much that I know will live long to carry my children, children, as much as I'm going to live long. And Amaka, let me warn you. If you try this rubbish again, if you disgrace me one more time, you will see the other side of me. I'm warning you.
Enough. What other side do you have that I have not seen? Tell me, where is it? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Now listen to me. You see that land? I will start farming on that land. Let me see anyone that will stop me. No, I dare you to stop me. I dare my father to stop me. Let me see anyone that will stop me.
Amaka. Hi.
I sent for you because very soon it will start to rain, and I want to cultivate that farm. Ekene, I have told you that Amaka is no longer with me. She is now living with her husband. Why are you jittering?
Okay, in that case, Ichi, I am relaxed.
Good.
I am relaxed.
Good. As I was saying, I needed to prepare to start cultivating the farm. That particular farm that I told you. If you look, you will see the sign of rain. Very soon, rain will come heavily, and I need the farm cultivated.
Yes, yes. So, Ichie, when should I start working on the farmland?
I'm telling you that as soon as possible, it will be appreciated. In fact, if you can start tomorrow, it will be appreciated.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, I will start tomorrow.
Good.
I will start tomorrow morning.
Good. Then on your way to the farm tomorrow, branch in so I can give you some money up front for you to buy all the things you may most likely need.
Very, very important. I need to buy some yams.
Good, good. Come tomorrow on your way to the farm.
Okay. Please, one more thing, Ichi. Are you very sure that your daughter is not around anymore?
Is it possible for a man of this kingdom to tell you that a woman is married when she is not married?
Wow.
She's married.
Okay. I will pass by tomorrow morning. Okay, Ichi, down.
Why? A very strong man when it comes to cultivating farms. He's actually afraid of a woman. If I were God.
I'm talking to you. Amaka, where did you say you're going this early? I am talking to you. I am talking to you.
I am going to search for someone that will help me till that land so I can start farming on it.
Before I close my eyes and open it, I want you to go inside there and drop these 2 things you're carrying and fix my breakfast.
What if I refuse?
I will deal with you. I will beat you. I will, if you disrespect me again. If you disrespect me one more time, if you try it again, come on, will you go inside there and fix my breakfast before I open my eyes now? Are you mad? I'm asking you and you are standing here looking at me. I said come here and go and keep those things inside. I will slap you now. What is wrong with you? Carry this thing and go inside and go and fix my...
Did you just touch me?
So, you are still standing in front of me?
What are you doing? What are you doing on this land?
Your father said I should...
My father said what?
Your father said I should clear this land.
My father said what?
Your father said I should clear this land.
Papa, you're looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble.
What is going on?
I declare my interest in that land, and you send this fool, this miserable son of the soil to go work on it. Papa, respect your old age. Let me sound this as a warning. I don't want to see anybody again close to that land. Else!
Okay. And you? Oh, who are you? No. How can you be this weak? I look at you like this and I'll be believing that you are a man. How can you be behaving like a fowl? I sent you to go to that farm and cultivate that farm and you ran away because of a woman?
She said she wanted to cut off my head.
And you ran. Go back to the farm.
Okay.
Come back to the farm, Susan.
Okay, I'll
go to the farm.
You are still here.
Papa, respect your old age.
Behave yourself.
Respect your old age, Papa. I'm respecting you.
Go to the farm.
If you're a man, go to the farm. Go to the farm, let me see. I dare you.
Hey, what? Who are you?
You see Amaka? Amaka is a bag of trouble. Like only her. Now, the whole village doesn't know Amaka. I heard she now fights her mother-in-law and even her husband. She fights everyone. I don't understand that girl.
I can imagine. But honestly, I feel so sorry for anybody under that girl's torment. Because you can never win her. May the gods help anybody under her torment though, because Amaka is a bag of trouble.
You say that's more reason you will avoid her. You should avoid that girl or avoid Amaka.
No, not
Amaka
when she beats my man.
Wait. Sorry, let me do it well so that all this thing Everybody, it's okay. Sorry now. Sorry. Allow me to touch it now. Allow me to touch this thing. Am I the one that asked you to go and marry an Ozadimba? Ebube, I told you she fought me the other day, but you did not believe me. Thank the gods that you have seen things yourself. Honestly, you have made a terrible mistake by marrying that girl. But I know what to do. We can't continue like this. There's no way we can continue living in this house with her. She has to go to her father's house. No, she must go back to her father's house. She can't stay here. Barely 2 market days. Look at what we have been going through. Look at what she's doing to us. Let alone if she stay here for 10 market days, she will be able to kill all of us. She will kill us. Ebube, it's okay. Allow her to go. Please, my son, he will kill you.
I don't understand. Ebube, you mean to say that your own wife, a woman you married with your own money, did this to you? Eh?
Yes.
We are done. We have come here to tell you, to tell us when you are going to return the bride price we pay for her.
Okay, calm down. I know why you are saying this. You are sounding this way because you are angry. I need you to understand something, that when it comes to marriage, marriage is something that is initiated and contracted by men. A woman like you should not be talking about when are we going to end the marriage. Men, when they contract marriage, their plan is that the marriage will be forever.
What? What are you talking about? So, you mean we are going to continue living with this wolf you call your daughter?
That is not what I am saying, Okashi. I am sorry. I understand there is a problem. But I am telling you that we are going to fix it.
You are going to fix it? How? When? So, why didn't you fix it before you gave her hand in marriage?
You are very angry. I can see that. Ebube, please, you will have to excuse us. As you can see, your mother is very angry. There is something I need to discuss with her, and I want to do that privately. Biko. Eh? Biko.
Ebube, you have to go home. I will join you later. Go home. Just go home.
You got the rock. You apply just one million balls. I am 1 million. Sorry.
For how long?
Sorry, eh?
She's wicked.
But looking at the way she behaves, do you actually think that a normal human being who is sound will be behaving like that?
What are you saying? Are you trying to tell me that Amaka is sick? Don't give me that lame excuse.
See, my palm wine used to miss from this house. I am not talking about just any palm wine. I'm talking about strong palm wine. Those strong palm wine that when you drink, your eyes will actually open. Yes. I will keep the palm wine in this house and then it will miss. Not only palm wine, no. Even my snuff. Not any kind of snuff, but that kind of snuff that they mix with alligator pepper. Very strong. I will keep it in this house and then it will miss. Remember, it was only Amaka and myself that were living in this house before your son came to marry her. And what I am saying, it was very clear to me that Amaka cannot be the one drinking that kind of alcohol. She cannot be the one that was taking that kind of snuff. So I started to ask questions. Only for the priest to confirm to me that indeed Amaka Mama was the one that was drinking the palm wine, was the one that was sniffing the snuff. And I said, how? It was then that the priest confirmed to me that Izwebu, my late brother, reincarnated in Amaka Mama, simply to continue giving me the trouble he was giving me before. To continue fomenting the trouble. Amaka, you see, is just a female version of a man. A very God-forsaken man at that. Ha! Izwebu, my brother.
You explained it very well. She doesn't act like a normal person at all.
Now you see what I'm saying.
She behaves strange. Izwebu, your brother, was a dangerous man. I hate him so much.
Look at, it was even after the revelation that I started to look at my daughter. If you look at my daughter closely, you will actually be seeing Izwebu. I am telling you.
Hi. I don't want to see Amaka like that. I want to see her as a woman she is.
The priest even said that I should bring her to the shrine so that the spirit of my late brother that possessed her should be cast out. I told Amaka and she refused. Just look at it. She refused.
Onochie, you don't expect her to follow you just like that. She is a possessed person. Yes.
It was even advised that I should tie her and bring her to the shrine so that the cleansing can take place. But look at Amaka, my daughter. Does she appear to you as somebody who anybody can tie? Eh?
But one thing you will know is that our people say the only thing that does not have solution is death. Yes. You will plan on how to do that. You have to tie her and take her to the chief priest. You have to do what he said.
Nice idea. See, I am going to bring the rope and give you so that you can tie her.
This explains to me why she overpowered me and beat me up like a child. Do you know that I still feel the pain, when that blow landed on my face, I thought it was a rock. Like her face, I don't know the kind of power like that of a man. Mama, we don't need to waste time. We have to tie her up and take her to the shrine. Because if that kind of blow she gave me lands on your face, Mama, you will not stand up. You will not.
My son, how? How are we going to tie Amaka up? You know Amaka got the strength of a man. So how is it possible? How do you think it's going to be easy tying her up? How is it going to be easy? Huh? My son, are you sure this our plan is going to work?
I hope so. I hope so.
Why are you both looking at me as if I have physics on my body?
Amaka, please come and sit down. Are you ready? Please sit down. There's something I will need to discuss with you.
What is it? What is it?
Wait. Let me check if I can be able to. Bring it up! Bring it up! Bring it! Bring it up! Bring it up! Bring it! Bring it! Bring it!
Let go of me!
Bring it! Bring it!
Hey! Let go of me! Let go of me! Let go of me! Where is she? Where is she? Hey! Where is she? Away! Hey!
I'm trying to understand you. What are you doing back here with your basket of clothes?
Papa, I said the marriage is over. Hey, Buba and the mother want to kill me. They tried tying me up for some reason best known to them. I overpowered them. That's why I was able to escape their evil intention.
And you are back here? But, should I understand this to mean that you are no longer married to Ebube?
Yes, Papa.
Can't even manage in Isi. I don't know what happened. But she came back and said that you both attempted to kill her. In fact, she said there was a plan to tie her up.
Yes. I tried to tie her up. My mother told me the discussion you had with her, so I figured out a way to tie her up so I can take her to the shrine.
Nai, but she ended up kicking me to the ground and biting my son's neck.
Well, she came back and said she is done with the marriage.
Then you have to return the bride price.
Mama, no.
Huh?
I disagree. See, Amaka and I are still very much married. I love her. I love my wife. What we should be talking about now is how to help her. I love my wife and I want the best for her. So we should talk about... Okay, we might have tried the first time and it failed. But we can try again and find a way to help her.
Good.
Something just entered my head now.
And what is it? I'm sure you are not planning to hurt another person because my waist is still paining me.
It will not hurt anybody. Nayonochi, please. Now that Amaka is your house, tell us when she will be asleep so that we'll come and tie her up. I want to bring another young man to help me.
That's a very brilliant idea. I'm telling you. But that is if you can do that. If you can do that without her knowing that you are coming to tie her up. Listen. My daughter will speak of is not a deep sleeper. In fact, even when she is sleeping, you are her husband who has married her. Are you telling me you don't know how she sleeps? Even when Amaka is sleeping, it can be argued that she's awake. She will be sleeping, and if a spider will just crawl past the roof like this, Amaka will see that spider. Hi. She woke up.
Exactly. I noticed that too.
Who is Yoko?
So good.
If I get up from here, I'll kill you. Let me go. Ekele. Let me go. Let me alone. Ekele. What are you doing? Stop it! What are you doing? Lose me now and let me go! Lose me! I will deal with you! Lose me and let me go! I will deal with you! If you don't let me go, I will deal with you! Lose me!
I declare to the hearing of every living thing that the spirit of Izwegbu trapped in the body of this woman disappears today. Is hereby eliminated. Izwegbu's spirit Leave this body now. Our blood can serve as a bridge between the spirit and the body. Whatever hold Izwegbu's spirit has on this body, I hereby break it. Get out of her body now.
Okembume, the priest of my land, you are welcome.
Thank you so much.
I hope all is well.
All is well.
Please sit down.
Oh, thank you.
How is my daughter?
She is fine.
And the ritual, how is the ritual going?
The ritual is going on very well. What is left now is left for you.
What is left now is left for me. I don't understand. What does that
mean? Freedom is the restoration of peace. And it is what everybody needs. It is the key we hold in our hands for our present selves. When we forgive people, we get healed from anxieties and stress of the past.
Well, I understand what you are saying, but I don't understand the angle you are coming from.
Olochi, pay attention. Peace is free, and that is what everybody needs. Darkness cannot drive away. Darkness is only light and darkness. When the love of power overcomes the power of love, it will know peace. You need to make peace when your dead brother is no more, so that you can rest and have peace for himself. You need to go to the shrine and perform that ritual and wish him well. Let him rest and rest for him.
This is all about his woman, brother?
Yes. His spirit has been cast out of your daughter's body. Your daughter has a new soul right now. But Izwebu's spirit is still hovering around, searching for an access point or a loophole to enter. That is why you take peace. You can't be enemy at life, an enemy at death.
But I don't
think
I am...
have to see that so that you don't become worse than your late brother is ready. To be sure.
Izwebu, my one and only brother, Isi Okotoko, like I used to call you before our quarrel started. We were indeed very close. I remember the day we went to hunt inside the bush and it started to rain heavily. I started how we took shelter in a very strange hut
Both of us were wet, feeling cold. I remember how you removed your wrapper and asked me to tie myself with that same wrapper because you were the elder brother. I remember I slept off. When I woke up, I felt warm around the strange hut. And that was because you managed to set up fire in that hut. How you did that, you did not explain to me until you died. When I woke up, I equally discovered Izwebu, my one and only brother, that you already killed 2 bush animals. How you managed to do that, I still don't know. Then you carried me in your back to the village. You had always been taking care of me. And I loved you as my elder brother. I don't know what happened. Eventually, that when we got older, we started to fight. Let today be that day of reconciliation. I am pleading, Izwebu, my late brother, Isiokotoko, that you forgive. Forgive me and allow your spirit that has possessed my daughter to depart from her. Let her have her freedom. Let her have her peace so that she can live her life. Izwebu, Isiokotoko, my one and the only brother. Remember the old days. Remember our young life and free my daughter. Free my daughter. Did you say I should touch her leg and free it away? Is that what you said?
Yes.
My one and only brother, Isiokotoko, please forgive me and forgive my daughter.
It is settled in the land of the dead and of the living.
Amaka.
So how are you?
I'm fine. I'm feeling better today.
How are you feeling the environment?
Very fine.
Are you sure? You are enjoying it?
Hey, everybody. See your drink. Your wine.
Sit down now. Sit down. Eh? Sit down.
Ama. You're welcome. Hey. Everybody. Ngwa. Ne. Yes.
Asam. With mama. Akugum. Okay, this is palm wine. Take. Eh?
I don't like that. I don't like the smell.
Amaka,
Mama.
you will not stop it completely. Even me, I do take some time.
I know, Mama, but I don't like it. I don't like the smell.
Hi.
I don't want.
Are you sure?
Mama,
Yes,
Mama,
sir.
don't worry. Let her just, okay, no one, sip. A
Little.
Just sip.
Huh?
Sip now. Wait. Yeah, come. Yes, sip.